There is some confusion about out video quiz. So this is a clarification video. So when you are creating an out video quiz, you have to choose quiz. Let me call this demo and click save. Notice you are not going to get any sample file at this time. You will get the sample file only when you edit this, and that is where the sample file is. To download the sample file, just click on sample file. It will ask you to save. You can save it and then open with a notepad. So that's what I'm going to do. So this is how the sample file looks when you open in a notepad or any text editor. It may feel complex, but it is not really complex. In fact, let me go down to show the lack of complexity. So forget the previous one that had lot of comments. Without comments, this is a simple multiple choice question. This says it's the beginning of a question. You can use any string here. TI is the title of this particular module. Within this module, P1 is the first question. You can use whatever it is, TCP colon P1, or you can use Q1 or first question, whatever. It has to be a unique string. And Q is what is the question. T is the type of the question, whether it is multiple choice or single choice. Multiple choice means more than one choice is correct. Had you replaced it with S, only one choice is correct. Then you specify the choices C1, C2, C3, C4 like this. A is equal to means answer is equal to, in this case C3, C4 are the correct answers, so that is what it is. DC means if the student got the answer correct, this is what will display. This is the feedback to the student. In case the student got the answer wrong in the attempt, this is what will display to the student. These are the marks associated with this particular question. Marks can also be something like this. What this means is, this has two attempts. In the first attempt you will get 2 marks. In the second attempt you will get 1 mark. So the format is not very complex. It may feel overwhelming, but play around with it. It should not be very difficult. Just follow something like this and you should be able to upload. But ensuring that you are having all the right tags like TI, A is equal to C1, C2, C3 is very important. Otherwise, it will not work. If you have a problem even with this, what we would suggest is just download the sample file and re-upload it. So here you have already downloaded. Here you just select the sample file itself and just re-upload. And when you click on upload, it will say OK, and remember to publish all if you want to see it from a student's perspective. So that is one way, which is the file based. So here is the student view and these are the questions. Notice also that this supports math. If you saw the sample file here, here is math, and math can be supported through this dollar sign. The other way, so I'm closing this student view. The other way to upload is through this add question module, which is going to give you a web interface. So this is the description. This is a module. Click save. So it appears here. Then you have to click edit and then add new question and continue. So this I'll let you figure out on your own.